Perched high above the Moselle River, surrounded by vineyards and rolling hills, stands one of Germany's most enchanting sights, Cochem Castle, or Reichsburg Cochem. It looks like something from a fairy tale, but its history is anything but peaceful. The story begins around the year 1000, when Count Edzard of Palatinate built the first fortress on this hill. For centuries, it guarded the river valley and served as a symbol of power in the Rhineland. By the 12th century, it had become an imperial castle, a Reichsburg, under King Conrad III of Germany. But the castle's glory came to a brutal end in 1689, when French troops under Louis XIV invaded during the 9 Years' War. They blew up the fortress, leaving it in ruins for nearly 200 years. Then came a second life, one born of Romanticism. In 1868, a wealthy Berlin businessman named Louis Frédéric Jacques Ravené purchased the ruins and began a complete reconstruction. Inspired by the Romantic movement sweeping Europe, he reimagined Cochem Castle as a Neo-Gothic masterpiece, full of turrets, murals, and ornate halls. More fantasy than fortress. The Ravené family owned the castle until World War II, when it was seized by the Nazis and later taken over by the German government. Today, it belongs to the town of Cochem, open to visitors who climb its winding paths to see breathtaking views of the Moselle Valley. Inside, its rooms mix medieval style with 19th century luxury, a place where history, legend, and imagination intertwine. Cochem Castle stands today not as a relic of war, but as a story of revival. A medieval ruin reborn into a romantic dream, towering over one of Germany's most picturesque landscapes.